Here you see there's a bright sun, but underneath all this sun, there's a bunch of boxes. Yes, boxes of bees. I am now going to walk through them cautiously and stupidly. Dun 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 dun! Dude, I got the fly swatter. And now you see all these. And I'm surrounded, well, almost surrounded.
Get up right next to a hive.
By some bees.
Whoa. Oh, corn hive.
Look at all the bees. This is freaking crazy. Whoa. Right now I'm only 4 or 5 feet away from that. And they're stinking every... Ah! You jerk shot me in the back! You backstabbers!
I was aiming at the box and it turned towards your butt. Is that your butt or your back?
My back?
Does it hurt?
Somewhat.
Sorry.
3 feet away. And it's stinking loud.
Watch Nick as he goes and hits one.
Get off me, chicken heads.
So you gotta hit the top if you're gonna do it, because all the honey's at top.
Alright, Nick.
Whoa.
Go open it.
Hold on. No, I'm gonna hit
get real close.
And really close. Really close. Oh no! Oh!
Back away slowly. How you guys gonna ditch me like that? Alright, somebody needs to go in there and record with me.
Okay, I'll do it. What did I push?
It's recording right now.
Okay, go.
And now you see a bunch of Beehive! Run, sucker!